Hello guys, it's Squirman here, and today we're playing with a fidget spinner. Yep, for about a minute. Don't really know how to best this thing, but what could I say? But that you're welcome. Wait, let me just turn this up. Look at this! Oh my god! I wish I had a tripod, man. This is. Oh, I'm also going to be doing more videos in the summer, because that I'm welcome for you guys to join us in this really fantastic thing. So I think about next week I'll start this thing called Cringe Fest. Yep, I'll have a better equipment, so I can record videos more. But thank you. Okay, this will make you trippy as crap. It will make you trip your balls. Oh, and I lied about the what could I say, but that I'm welcome.